Hey guys, and welcome to Simon Cypher. Today in this video we are going to do something which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's say you have to create an app, and to create an app you usually go and code by yourself, right? But what if we create a program, and when running the program will automatically operate your computer, and it will create you the app. The idea might be complicated, but it is simple, right? Instead of going and code everything by yourself, you're just creating a program, and when you run the program creates you the app. It just does the code which you do, you manually would do, but here it just codes the entire app and runs it. It will do everything within fraction of seconds instead of taking much time on doing everything. So let's just see how to do that. So first of all, my idea is to create a basic app. Inside the app there should be a button, and when you click the button, the text should increase according to the times that you click on the button. For example, when you click button, the countdown should increase. Like if you click the button for 100 times, then the countdown should be increased to 100. That is the basic idea of this app. So this is a simple clicker app, and this can be developed within 10 to 15 minutes inside Android Studio. But we are going to create a bot. So this is going to be ChatGPT plus 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 plus. Because ChatGPT just provides you with a solution, and you usually go ahead and copy it and just paste it and modify the code according to your needs. What if a bot just codes everything which is ready made for you, and you don't have to code everything by yourself? So that is the basic idea of this application. So that's what we're gonna do today. So for creating the app, we're going to use Java and Android Studio, and for the bot, that the app is going to create it with, is we're going to code the bot with Python, because Python has much more libraries to do such fancy things other than programming languages like Java or C++ or anything like that. So we're going to do it with Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, so now we will just start the coding part. Okay, so first of all, let's just open up Visual Studio Code. Because we're going to code Python in Visual Studio Code only. So let me just go here, and in the desktop folder I'll just create a new folder named app creating bot. Okay, so we got the folder. Let's go to Visual Studio Code, click on file and open folder, and let's go to desktop. Let's open up app creating bot, and yes, I trust the authors. Good. Now let's just create a new Python file here, main.py. Good. Before that, we need to install extensions for Python, so please make sure that you do it. And I also need extensions for Java, because we're going to do a little bit of Java here and there. So installing. Good. So now here we have main.py. So next thing we need to do is we need to create a new virtual environment. Go to command palette, search for Python, and go to create an environment, create a virtual environment here. So Python is not installed. So it's creating the environment. So yeah, we have created the environment. To check whether we have created, let's just open new terminal and press this and click A. Good. So now if we just close this terminal and click on new terminal, so we have just gotten to our virtual environment. So from here we need to install a library called PyAutoGUI. So let's do that. Pip install PyAutoGUI. Okay, so it's installing that, and when installing, let's just go here and click on a new file. We're gonna just create a new text file. So for that, I usually need to create main activity.txt. So this is the text file for main activity, which means the code for the main activity will be pasted over here. So now we're good to go. So we got the main activity.text. I mean the main code for this. Next thing is we need to initialize main activity. So let's create a new file called main activity init.txt. Inside this, let's type private. So now we got the initialized text. Next thing is we need to create the same thing for the XML file, which means the activity main.xm. So let's just do that. Create layout.txt. So this is another text file where we store the values for where we create the elements inside the XML file. So let's do that by typing button. So now we got the the text for the Android Java code. Now let's just go ahead and open up Android Studio and set up a project. So we got main activity.java and the XML file. So we need to give it some time to initialize the dependencies to open up the project. So we got project initialized and we have the layout file. So give me some time so I can just improve it, improve the UI a little bit.
12 o'clock midnight.
Okay guys, so now I have just edited some of these files for making the user interface a little bit modern. Instead of clubbing everything together in a tight packed environment, I just made some space for every element here, and I made some case sensitive errors because since Java is a case sensitive language, I actually made some errors with the operators. So I just solved them one by one, and now I have these three files. So let's start coding Python a little bit. So we start. So first of all, let me just create a new Python file, and then I'll just type coordinates.py. So the coordinates.py, I just need to type in port PyAutoGUI. And then here I would like to type position. No, first let's just import time, and then type position, sorry, time dot sleep. Let's just sleep for 5 seconds, and then type position is equal to pi auto GUI dot position. Good. And now we need to print position. So let's check whether this file works or not. Run Python file. Let's just run it again. Okay, good. So we have printed the coordinates, which is pretty good. Now let's just go ahead and type coordinates dot txt. Okay, so inside this coordinates.py, first of all, we're going to keep the interface like this. Okay, so this is going to be the base interface, and we're going to interact with the IDE in this interface only. So let's just do that. So first of all, for creating the app, we need to design the layout file. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on activity main.xml, and then we need to print it. Okay, so first of all, for clicking on activity main.xml, let's just run the Python file. So now we got all the needed coordinates. So now let's just start coding the main Python file. Let's start by importing the PyAuto GUI, and then so hopefully when we run the script, it should execute everything without any delay. So now shall we start executing the thing? So yeah, let's just start it. Okay, fingers crossed. Run Python file, go to Android Studio, and let's wait and let's see for it. Good. Okay, good. Yeah, it's working. Oops, it made an error. It just made an error, guys. It just made an error. it just made a big error. So yeah, run Python file. Let's wait. Okay, good, works. Yeah, then yes, yeah, that's good. And then oops, no, 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 no. Okay, so this is where the error comes. So after initializing, it just gets down. So which means I need to click here. So this should be the coordinate. So this is where I made the mistake. So let's just run this Python file
3:28 a.m.
once again. See whether it works or not. Okay, main XML. Good. Yes, that's good. Okay, pretty good. Yeah. Yes. Oh yes. Oops. It just made the mistake. Just made the mistake. Just made the mistake. So I should not write this and this. Should just write this. Okay, how do I make it? So in the main activity text, yeah, everything is saved. Run main activity. So this time it should work. Please, please. Good. Okay. Good. That is pretty good. Yeah. Okay. And okay. Oh God. And as usual, let's erase every single code. Oh my God. I thought it would work, but it just messed up with a single semicolon. That's the main thing. Okay, so anyways, let's just try rerun the file a bit. Right. Okay, come on, let's work. Let's work. Okay, we got into the XML file. Good. Then, okay. Good, yeah, pretty good. Next, write the main code. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are running the app. Yes, we have did it. So, yeah. So, I just created an app with the help of a program, which means I didn't code anything. I actually did a program, and when running the program, it just created this app. Okay, yeah, it's working. It's working. So yeah, it's actually a pretty good achievement. Yes, it just feels so good, to get a program to run, and it just created a new program. So it's like a program giving birth. No, that's not what I meant. But still, this is amazing. Just look at that. Just look how many code. Just look how many efforts it took to complete the entire code, and we have finally did it. We have finally created a Python program to write a code. So we have created ChatGPT plus 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 plus. Yeah. So I actually got amused by the performance of this app, and yeah, and I will share the source code for this Python file on the uh, on my GitHub repository. So if you want, you can go ahead and read it. And yeah, so finally we have created that. So guys, that's how I created a Python program that can create Android apps. So the project might seem to be more complex, but it is very simple. Okay, so I haven't expected that this project will work for me, because I actually tried many projects with Pyoto GUI, but almost many of them failed. But I didn't expect that this kind of mainstream project that was did experimentally was a huge success, and I just got my mind blown. So yeah, and that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please give the support that you gave to my old channel CyberCypher, which is crossing 1.3k subscribers, but still I can't monetize it. So that's the reason why I actually dumped the channel. But please subscribe to this new channel and show all your support to this channel. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video.